Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, in this very special occasion, I would like to review some materials in order to give you, material related to English final test. Inshallah, English final test for intensive reading will be held on 27 June 2022. 27 ya, Senin ya. It will be held on Monday. Around berapa ya? 4 PM it's okay, jam 4. 4 PM it's okay. Senin minggu depan. Or we will discuss later ya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya. PPT-nya. Enggak nongol. Bentar. Slide tuh, Mbak. Recount. What is the function of recount text? Aduh. To retell events for the purpose of informing or entertaining. Untuk retell, menceritakan kembali event-event atau kejadian tujuannya untuk memberitahu atau menghibur ya. Mbak Alivia, would you please earthquake?
Gimana, ma'am? Dibaca.
Read the fact. Yeah, you're right.
Quick. It was driving along the coast road when the car suddenly lurched to one side. At first, I thought a truck had gone, but then I saw telegraph pole collapsing like matchstick. The rock came tumbling across the road, and I had to abandon the car. When I got back to town, well, as I said, there wasn't much left. It was really a frightening experience.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak Alivia. The first paragraph belongs to orientation. Orientation just like introduction. Ya, ini pendahuluan. And then followed by series of event. Event 1. At first, I thought a tire had gone, but then I saw telegraph poles collapsing like mathematics. And then event 2. The rock came tumbling across the road, and I had to abandon the car. Event 3. When I got back to town, well, as I said, there wasn't much left. And then reorientation. I was really a frightening experience. Itu adalah pengalaman yang sangat menakutkan. Reorientation. Okay, now let's identify the specific participants. For example, I, the car, a tire, telegraph pole, material process, for example, was driving, lurch, had gone. Material process, we can see the action. Am tumbling, got back. Circumstance of time and place. Di sini circumstance of time and place, just like across the road to town, circumstance of place. And then circumstance of time. Circumstance of time, just like mana ini, when. Ya kan? Use of past tense, just like lurch, had gone, came tumbling. Focus on temporal sequence. At first, where, ya kan, yang pertama. Okay, I would like to ask you, Mbak Olivia, what is the main idea of the text here? What is the main idea of the text?
Earthquake.
About earthquake. Next slide. Okay, next, Mbak Stifalda. Please read, Mbak Stifalda. Spoof, to retell an event with a humorous twist. Jadi akhirnya itu nggak nyambung ya, yang bagian akhir. Mbak Stifalda, please.
Okay. Penguin in the park. Once, a man was walking in a park when he came across a penguin. He took him to a policeman and said, "I have just found this penguin. What should I do?" The policeman replied, "Take him to the zoo." The next day, the policeman saw the same man in the same park, and the man was still carrying the penguin with him. The policeman was rather surprised and walked up to the man and asked, "Why are you still carrying that penguin about? Didn't you take it to the zoo?" "I certainly did," replied the man. "And it was a great idea because he really enjoyed it. So today I'm taking him to the movies."
Okay. Thank you, Mbak Stifalda. The
Yes,
first
ma'am.
paragraph belongs to orientation, and then event 1, paragraph 2, event 2, paragraph 3, and then the last called twist. Okay, focus on individual participant. Individual berarti sendiri ya, individu, a man, a penguin, Miss Penguin. And then material process, just like walking, we can see the action, carrying, circumstance of time and place. Time, for example, today, yeah, and then place to the zoo. Use of past tense, was walking, found, walk. Okay, Mbak Stifalda, what is the main idea of the text here, Mbak?
About penguin in the park.
Yeah, okay. But the last paragraph belongs to twist ya. Twist, jadi nggak nyambung kan itu.
Yes, ma'am. What is the
Ya.
meaning of spoof, ma'am?
Spoof itu just like recount, menceritakan hal-hal yang, I mean event happen in the past. But the difference between spoof and recount in the last paragraph twist, ibaratnya tuh kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau, tapi bagian paragraf akhir atau penutupnya itu nggak nyambung sama paragraf sebelumnya, nggak make sense, it doesn't make sense gitu.
Oh, I see.
Ya, are you satisfied with my answer, Mbak?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Jadi kayak
gimana?
yang
Ya,
gitu ya.
Ya, nggak nyambung.
Oh, I see.
Cerita
Okay.
apa terus akhirnya cerita yang lain nggak gitu. Udah misalnya A sampai C, yang D itu nggak nyambung sama A sama C. Nggak make sense, it doesn't make sense. The
Okay,
part,
ma'am.
ya. Next slide. Oke, next, Mbak Lia. Please read, Mbak Lia, description to describe a particular person, place, or thing. Mbak Lia. Oh, Mbak Ajeng. Mbak Lia nggak ada ya. Mbak Ajeng, please.
Yes, ma'am. Description. Social function is to describe a particular person, place, or thing. Natural Park National Park. Natural Park National Park is Lucian tropical rainforest. It is located 110 kilometers south of Brisbane and is reached by following the Pacific Highway to Nerang and then by traveling through the Numimbah Valley. This scenic roadway lies in the shadow of the Lamington National Park. The phenomenon of the rock formed into a natural arch and the cave stroke which a waterfall cascade is a short 1 kilometer walk below a dense rainforest canopy from the main picnic area. Swimming is permitted in the rock pools. Nighttime visitors to the cave will discover the unique feature of the glowworms. Picnic are offered toilets, barbecue, shelters, seat, water, and fireplace. However, overnight camping is not permitted. Done, Mom.
Okay. focus on specific participants, just like specific berarti it is specific, just like Natural Bridge National Park, the first one. The Pacific Highway, yang intinya ada the-nya ya kan. The Numimbah Valley, the Lamington National Park, and then the phenomenon, ya kan. And then use of attributes and identifying process. Identifying process just like to be, to connect the previous word to next word. Jadi mediator between the previous word to and also the next word. And then frequent use of epithet and classifier in nominal groups. Use of simple present tense. Simple present tense sudah tahu ya ini. Pakai verb 2. Ya. Untuk epithets and classifier, I will inform you later ya. Next. And the main idea of the text here is Natural Bridge National Park. Next slide, Mbak. Reports. Ayo reports. Siapa yang baca? Mbak Olin. Please, Mbak Olin.
Yes, Mom. Wallace are sea living mammals. They therefore breed are but cannot survive on land. Some species are very large and the blue whale, which can excited in the lake. In the two animals to have lived on the earth. Superficially, the whale looks rather like a fish, but there are important differences in its external structure. Its tail consists of a pair of broad, flat horizontal paddles. The tail of a fish is vertical, and he has single nostril on top of its large, broad head. The skin is smooth and shiny, and beneath it lies a layer of white blubber. This is up to true. Bentar, Mam. Ini sedikit macet-macet.
Yeah.
30 gm in the thickness as of to conserve heat and body fluid.
Yeah, okay. The main idea of the text is walls. Ya kan? And
Yes,
it
Mom.
belongs to report because it describe the walls generally secara umum. If it belongs to descriptive text, the title will be the whale. Kayak gitu kan. Okay, genetic participant just like whales. They, some species, the blue whale itu masih general. Ya, kemudian relational process. Tuh, are, can, exist, looks, consist, has. And then simple present tense. Simple present tense-nya is, lies, ya kan? No temporal sequence, gak ada urutan ini ya, tempo, just like then, after that, no. We can use temporal sequence in reports. Next slide.
Mom, I want to ask, Mom.
Ya,
What is thickness? Thickness.
mana ada thickness? Mana ada
Yang
thickness?
thickness and survives to conserve.
Slide, kalimat berapa?
Yang paling akhir, Mom.
This is up to the thickness and serve to conserve heat and body fluids. Bentar. Thickness. Kalau thick kan kurus, bentar ya. Coba. Ketebalan. Ketebalan and serve to conserve heat and body fluids. Gini Mbak, this is up to 30 cm in thickness and serve to conserve heat and body fluids. Jadi skin atau kulitnya ini, whales itu ketebalannya 30 cm. Dan juga untuk apa fungsinya? Untuk menjaga kehangatan tubuh dan juga cairan pada tubuhnya. Itu Mbak. Mbak Olin.
Oh yes, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Okay. You're welcome. Next slide. Ini Mbak Lia ada? Mbak Lilis. Mbak Lilis sekarang, please Mbak Lilis.
Yes, ma'am. Snow White. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl named Snow White. She lived with her aunt and uncle because her parents were dead. One day, she heard her uncle and aunt talking about leaving Snow White in the castle because they both want to go to America and they didn't have enough money to take Snow White. Snow White did not want her uncle and aunt to do this, so she decided would be best if she ran away. The next morning, she ran away from home when her aunt and uncle were having breakfast. She ran away into the woods. She was very tired and hungry. Then she saw this little cottage. She knocked She knocked, but no one answered, so she went inside and fell asleep. Meanwhile, the seven dwarfs were coming home from work. They went inside. The dwarfs, the dwarf said, "What is your name?" Snow White said. Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." Duck said, "If you wish, you may live here with us." Snow White said, "Oh, could I? Thank you." Then Snow White told the dwarf the whole story, and Snow White and the seven dwarfs lived happily ever after.
Okay, now we will identify the story about Snow White, right? It is useful to, what is it, entertain the readers about the story itself. Mbak, Mas, wait for a moment ya. A guest is coming. Wait for 5 minutes ya.
Yes,
5
ma'am.
minutes. Okay, go on. Okay. The main idea of the text is about Snow White. Let's identify the generic structure. Generic structure, okay. First paragraph, orientation. Major complication, just like a problem. Resolution, solution, yeah. Complication, problem, resolution again. Complication, major resolution. And then use of relational process and mental process. Relational process has correlation with to be. And then mental process has correlation with, what is it? Feeling. Feeling, ya. Just like feel. Terus apa lagi di sini? Feeling, kayak understand, nah gitu. Temporal conjunction, temporal circumstances. And then past tense, simple past tense ya, pakai simple past tense because it happened in the past. Next slide. Next slide, Mbak Olivia. Halo? Next slide, Mbak Olivia.
Udah, saya pindah kok, Mem. Belum kelihatan.
Lo masih naratif.
Sudah terlihat, Mem.
Nah, thank you ya, Mbak. Analytical exposition, please read. Mbak Zulfa, please, Mbak Zulfa. Analytical exposition, Mbak Zulfa.
Yes, ma'am. In Australia, there are 3 levels of government: the federal government, state government, and local government. All of these levels of government are necessary. This is so far for a number of reasons. First, the federal government is necessary for the big things. They keep the economy in order and look after things like defense. Similarly, the state government look after the middle-sized things. For example, they look after law and order, preventing things like vandalism in school. Finally, local government look after the small things. They look after things like collecting rubbish, otherwise everyone would have diseases. Thus, for the reason above, we can conclude that the 3 levels of government are necessary. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Analytical exposition, to persuade the reader or listener that something is the case. Untuk mempengaruhi pembaca atau pendengar, itu kalau hal sesuatu sedang menjadi problematik ya. Ibaratnya viral gitu. Di sini, what is the main idea of the text, Mbak? Main idea. Mbak, siapa tadi, Mbak Lilis? About apa?
Three levels of government, ma'am.
Ya, okay. The federal government, state government, and local government. What is the difference between analytical exposition and hortatory exposition, Mbak?
Kalau analytical itu lebih meyakinkan. Kalau hortatory itu lebih mempengaruhi, gitu, ma'am.
Kalau yang analytical exposition, the last part will be conclusion, while hortatory exposition, the last part will be recommendation or suggestion, saran. Kalau analytical itu bentuknya conclusion atau reiteration, the synonym. Focus on generic human or non-human participant. The federal government, ya kan, itu. State government, local government, ya kan, non-human participant juga. Simple present tense sudah tahu, relational process, to be, internal conjunction, reasoning through causal conjunction. Causal conjunction, sebab akibat. Because, nah gitu ya. Next slide. Hortatory, sekarang siapa? Mbak Salma, please.
Yes, ma'am. Country concern. In all the discussion over the removal of lead from petrol and the atmosphere, there doesn't seem to have been any mention of the difference between driving in the city and the country. While I realize my leaded petrol car is polluting the air wherever I drive, I felt that when you travel through the country, where you only see another car every 5 to 10 minutes, the problem is not as severe as when traffic is concentrated on city roads. Those who want to penalize older, leaded petrol vehicles and their owners don't seem to appreciate that in the country, there is no public transport to fall back upon, and one's own vehicle is the only way to get about. I feel that country people who often have to travel whole distance to the nearest town and who already spend a great deal of money on petrol should be treated differently to the people who live in the city. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. As I have said before, the difference between analytical exposition and also hortatory exposition is located in the last part. For analytical exposition, the last part will be conclusion, and hortatory, while for hortatory is recommendation. Ini ya, what is the main idea of the text here, Mbak, for country concern?
Paragraph 1, ma'am. The first paragraph.
Yeah, you're right. Yes, you're right.
In all the discussion over the removal of lead from petrol and the atmosphere, there doesn't seem to have been any mention of the difference between driving in the city and the country.
Yes, okay. Okay. Focus on generic human. Generic human, which one? Please identify generic human and non-human participant. Mbak Lilis. Generic human and non-human participant.
The air you itu, Mom.
Yes, okay. Mental process. It has correlation with feels or think, realize, feel, appreciate. Material process, show the action, drive, travel, spend. Relational process, to state what is or should be, just like the using to be ya, kalau relational process. If it uses verb, just like doesn't seem to have been, ya kan? I think simple present tense, all of you have understood about the material simple present tense, right? Next slide. Narrative lagi. Skip, Mbak, skip. Explanation now. Mbak Era, please, Mbak Era. Explanation, Mbak Era.
Yes, Mom.